Today is Valentine's Day, my love.
Oh, really? What did you bring me?
I have a big surprise for you today.
Did you bring me the iPhone 17? You promised it to me when we got married.
Well, it is something even more special.
Show me, then.
I wrote you a poem.
A poem?
Yes. And I made you tea.
You didn't even bring a red rose?
I thought the garden flowers were enough.
And the iPhone 17?
I can draw you one on paper.
You are unbelievable!
But you still love me, right?
Maybe.
Give me a kiss, my love.
Go away!
Good morning. What brings you here today?
I have a fever, and I feel very weak.
Let me check your temperature.
Is it very bad, Doctor?
Oh, you are as hot as summer.
Doctor, please be serious.
Do not worry. It is just a simple fever.
What medicine should I take?
I will give you a special prescription.
What is it?
Drink a lot of water, rest well, and watch funny videos.
Funny videos?
Yes, laughter is the best medicine.
Is this a real prescription?
Of course. I learned it from TikTok.
You learned this from TikTok?
Yes, I follow many young doctors online.
I hope they are real doctors.
Do not worry. I am still your doctor. I feel a little tired.
It is a beautiful day in the garden.
Yes, the sun is shining.
Let us go for a short walk.
I would like to take a nap.
You can sleep later.
My eyes feel very heavy.
The fresh air will help you feel better.
The chair is very comfortable.
We can walk slowly.
How long will the walk be?
Only 10 minutes.
10 minutes feels too long for me.
It is only a short walk.
My legs are very weak today.
You were fine this morning.
I think I need some rest now.
You always say that. You always say that.
I am really very tired.
You just do not want to walk with me.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.